Sirens faded. Smoke still curled out of broken glass.
Never seen anything like that. 1 minute it was just smoke from the ventilation. Next thing alarms were screaming.
Yeah, dispatch got dozens of calls. Thick smoke on the security cameras didn't look good on our end either.
It spread fast. Started in one of the kitchen exhaust systems from the food court. Grease fire.
Grease fires are nasty. Once they get oxygen, they climb up the vents.
We tried using the fire extinguishers, but it was already creeping up the ceiling tiles.
I saw the evacuation flow. Looked organized, though.
We trained for it. Didn't know we'd actually need it. But the mall supervisors opened the emergency exits quick. Shoppers listened. No pushing.
That might have saved lives. Honestly, that's impressive.
Only a few got smoke irritation. No serious injuries.
Everyone got lucky today. A few minutes slower, and that could have been tragic.
Hard to see it like this, though. I've worked here 6 years. Place is like a second home.
I get that. A lot of people rely on this mall, small business owners, workers, regular customers.
I heard the fire department cut straight through the ventilation. Ducks and controlled the blaze from above.
Smart move. They contained it before it jumped to the second floor. If it hit the electronics shops, will you?
Yeah. More fuel for the flames.
Investigators will check the cause, but sounds like a grease trap that wasn't cleaned properly.
That the insurance guys will be busy for weeks.
But hey, no casualties. That's what matters most.
Yeah. Buildings can be rebuilt. People can't.
Think the mall can reopen soon.
Maybe in a few months. The food court definitely needs rebuilding, but the community will wait. They always come back.
Good, I'd miss my weekend donuts here.
Ha ha ha, same here.